Hello students, I hope you are enjoying good health and I hope you are taking proper precautions by wearing mask and using sanitizing or washing your hands. And please maintain distance while you are going in any crowded area so that you can save yourself and your family from the COVID. Today I am going to continue with the second chapter of 7th class, fraction and decimals. Before going ahead, please subscribe my channel so that you can continue with your studies in this crucial time of COVID when you can't come to school. Please don't forget to like also and comment your names in the description in the comment box. In description box there is given a link for the PDF. You can comment. Now let's continue with the chapter 2, fraction and decimals. Before starting exercise, I will tell you first what is the fraction. Fraction is a part of the whole. Fraction. It is the part of the whole. I am giving an example to tell you what are the fractions. Like you are eating pizza. Pizza is a whole part. When you are taking one piece, that is a fraction. Fraction means how many pieces are there. If there are 6 pieces, if you are taking one piece out of the whole pizza, then it is the part of the whole. Means 1/6 part you are eating. Like you all enjoy taking cold drinks and fruities and juices. Then you say to your mom, I will take one full glass. मैं पूरा glass लाऊंगा. That is the full. But ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ milk ਬਾਰੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, then you say, मम्मा सिर्फ half देना है. Half means that is the part of whole. Half ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ represent ਕਰਦੇ हैं? 1/2 means complete ਦਾ. Complete ਹੈ 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ 2 part ਕਰਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ half. ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ 1 ਪਾਰਟ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ 2. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਡੇਲੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਹੈ ਫਰੋਮ ਦ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ. ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਬ ਕੈਟੇਗਰੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਸਬ ਟਾਈਪਸ ਹੈ. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ. ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ डिनोमीनेटर ग्रेटर ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ न्यूमरेटर ਤੋਂ. न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. like 3/4. This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. This is called a proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. In this fraction, numerator is greater. I'm doing the reciprocal of this 4/3. This is numerator and denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So this is called improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction can be expressed as sum of a natural number and its proper fraction. It is combination of or sum of natural number and a proper fraction. Like any natural number, I am taking 5 and 1/3. This is a natural number, 1/3 is a proper fraction. When we combine these, you will get mixed fraction. Next is like fraction. Like fractions are the fractions which are having same denominator. जिन्हां दा denominator same ਹੁੰਦਾ है. Denominator ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. Fractions having same denominator. Like 1/3, 1/4, 2/3 and 3/3. These are like fractions. Next are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fractions which are having different denominator. जिन्हां दे denominator अलग अलग होंदे हैं. For example, 1/7, 2/5, 3/8. These are the unlike fractions. Next are the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions which represent the same part of the whole. Same part how? Which represents same of the whole. For example, 2/6, 1/3 and 3/9. If this means 2 parts out of 6, this means 1 part out of 3, 3 parts out of 9. When we simplify these, we will get the same fraction. Solve this. 1/3. This is already simplest form. Cancel these. This is also 1/3. So all three are equivalent. These are called equivalent fractions. Next is exercise 2.1. Here is to solve the fractions. First is addition of two fractions. 4 can be written as 4/1 as denominator is missing here. So if denominator is not there, means 1 is there. Now take LCM of 8 and 1. It would be 8. 8 LCM ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਫਸਟ ਸਟੈਪ, ਜੋ ਡਿਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ LCM ਨਾਲ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਗੈਟ 8. ਜੋ 8 ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਿਊਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. 32 plus next denominator and LCM, divide these 1, then multiply it by numerator 7. This is 39/8. Next is take the LCM of these. LCM would be 165. Divide these divided by 11, you will get 15. So 15 multiplied by 9, 135, minus, divide these, you will get 11, and 11 nu multiply karo 4 nal, 44, minus these 1 and 9 upon 165. Next is mixed fraction. How to solve mixed fractions? Multiply these first, 5 2s are 10, then add the numerator. 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 5. Multiply these, 6 into 2, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 2. Now these are the fractions. Now take these LCM of these, 10, divide by 5, 2, you will get 2, and multiply it by 11, 22, plus divide these, 5 multiply by 13, 45. Now add 67 upon 10. First of all, you will divide these. Why we will divide these? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Then we will convert these into mixed fraction. How to convert into mixed fraction? See, at 6, quotient will become the part here, and quotient will be written at the first place, remainder in the numerator, divisor in the denominator. This is the way to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Whenever there is improper fraction, always convert into mixed fraction. I haven't converted here because here you were not known, but now I am telling you, whenever there is improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. So here I am going to convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Next is second sum. Arrange in ascending order. See, in the first part, this is simplest one. I am not solving this, as all the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it's quite easy to solve the sum. Just find out the number which is the least one. This is 2, so this will be at first, then afterward there will be 3, then 5, 8, 10 and 16. These fraction will be in ascending order. I will solve the next part where the denominators are different. 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. See here the denominators, different denominators. We will take first LCM. In our LCM lo pehla 5, 7 and 10. It's 70. Now we will make these like fractions. How we will make these like fraction? We will check the denominator of first fraction, that is 5. Divide 5 to 70 by 5. You will get 14. 14 numerator and denominator दोनों से multiply कर दो to make like fractions. You will convert all these into like fractions. Now take the second fraction. Divide 70 by 7. You will get 10. Now multiply it by 10, 30 upon 70. Third fraction, 7 upon 10. Multiply. First divide by 10 to 70. I am getting 7. Multiply these, 49 upon 70. Now you can check all the denominators are same, means these are like fractions. Now we can write these in ascending order in very easily. first of all 14 upon 70, then 30 upon 70, next is 49 upon 70. As these are not the original fractions which were given in question, we will write the original fraction which was given in the question. So 14 upon 70 was 1 by 5, and 30 upon 70 was 3 by 7, and 49 by 70 was 7 by 10. So I have converted these into firstly into like fractions, then I have written these into ascending order. Yes, next I am solving some statement sums. See the first statement, third sum. There are three sides AB, BC, CA of triangle, and these sides are given in diagram, you can see. Then there is written find the perimeter of triangle. To find the perimeter of triangle, we will add all these, because formula is sum of all sides. So third sum, perimeter of triangle, sum of its sides, so sides are 5 by 6 upon 2 by 3 and 7 by 10. To add, we will take first LCM of these. LCM will be 60. The same procedure we will follow. Divide first by denominator 10 multiplied to the numerator, that is 50, plus again divide these 20 multiply it with numerator 40, then divide 6 multiply to the numerator 42. Add these upon 60. This is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction by dividing. You can do it by dividing, I told you earlier. Okay, I am solving here to show you. This is 12. 2 remainder upside in numerator, and denominator is the divisor. This is the perimeter of triangle now. Next, see the fourth sum. Ramesh studies for 5 and 2 by 3 hours daily. He devotes 2 and 4 by 5 hours of his time for science and mathematics. How much time does he devote for other subjects? Means total study time is 5 and 2 by 3 hours, and for maths and science is 2 and 4 by 5. To find out time for other subjects, we will subtract these. So how to write? Fourth sum, total time for studies 5 and 2 by 3. Time devoted for maths and science is 2 and 4 by 5. Time devoted to other subjects, we will subtract these 5 and 2 by 3 minus 2 and 4 by 5. For these, we will convert these into first improper fractions by multiplying these and adding 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 upon 3, multiply these 10 and 14 by 5. Now by taking LCM, LCM is 15. Same procedure you will follow. I had told you in previous sum also. 85 minus 42, minus these 43 upon 15. You can see again numerator is greater, so we will convert these into again improper to mixed fraction. This is, so this part he is giving to the other subjects. Like this you will solve the next sums. There are many more sums to practice, like 5th, 6th, 7th. There are more sums to solve. Solve these and write down in comment box if there is any problem. You can ask me anytime. So thanks for watching the video. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.